Reliable concrete accessories. UltraCureNCF wet curing instructions. Reliable Concrete Accessories offers the best performing and most cost-effective wet curing system on the market. UltraCure wet curing blankets are as easy to use as this. Step 1. Immediately after the early entry saw cutting is completed, remove any concrete residue with a high-volume water hose. Saturate the area that will be blanketed with the UltraCure wet curing blanket. At least 1/8 inch of water is required. Step 2. Place the UltraCure wet curing blanket on the wet surface, plastic side up, absorbent fiber side down. Align it with the edge of the slab. Unroll the UltraCure blanket in a straight line, adding additional water to the leading edge as you go. The UltraCure blanket will turn from white to a light gray when it is fully hydrated. Please note, if wrinkles occur or the roll is out of alignment with the slab, first, cut the blanket straight across, realigning the remaining amount on the roll, then continue to roll out. Step 3. Using a soft bristle push broom, smooth out wrinkles and air pockets in the blanket. Be sure to brush toward the unblanketed section. Step 4. Spray water on the next area to be blanketed with the UltraCure wet curing blanket. Use the same technique as before. Be generous with the water. Step 5. Unroll the next layer of UltraCure in a straight line. Please remember to overlap the previous roll of UltraCure by at least 4 to 6 inches. At this point, you will continue to repeat steps 3 through 5 until your entire surface area is blanketed. Depending on the wind conditions on your job site, it might be necessary to weight down the overlap of the blankets with dimensional lumber, rebar, or sandbags to ensure 100% contact between the blanket and the slab. It's as easy as that. On the 7th day, as the wet curing process is ending, roll up and remove the blankets, then dispose of the used blankets along with your other construction debris. Using UltraCure wet curing blankets will give you a stronger, more consistent finished product while saving you costly labor. Reliable Concrete Accessories, offering UltraCure wet curing blankets for your concrete construction project needs.